Let me explain something. I wanted to talk, but the wind is so bad. You know, wind is my enemy. Wind is an editor's nightmare. But this is what I was trying to say earlier. I've only been here 2 times, but every time I come here, I follow the same path. And that path takes me to the bakery in the morning, and then I'm over at the monastery. Then I feed the kitties, and then I go down below, and that's where I found the salt. Yeah. I end up going that way where the goats are. Well, what happens is at the end of the day, when I get to the edges of the island, there's really no time to be there. It's time to turn around. So I believe I'm going to begin at those places. You know, I've really never looked at a map before. Katapola is the port that I'm at. This area has consumed most of my visits. Yeah, it's windy up there. I mean, look, we're still in the hills, but the clouds, that's why it was so windy. It's much calmer down here, and I'm hoping down at the water and the beach, it will be kayakable. Bringing this. Try my best to leave. I only have a 50. It's a lot to break for a cup of coffee. Whoa. Okay. Yo, I've never seen this. Whoa. Okay. Coming through. I know. Oh boy. Okay. I'm not even messing with y'all. I'm not even messing with y'all. No, I'm not insured for that. That seemed to be successful. This was giving me little problems yesterday. It's the technology that allows me to share all this, but it's the technology. It's nerve-wracking. I said this before like a metaphor, like the island winds. The island winds. Winds, W-I-N-S. Because these don't belong here. That phone, that doesn't belong here. The drone, like it doesn't belong here. And if it stays here long enough, the dust, the salt, all the compound micro minerals that are even in the air, corrosive, it'll shut it down. Yeah, everything. Like what's valuable here is a shovel. You know what I mean? Is a fishing pole. Yeah, it's work. You know? What's valuable here is having a blanket, having a hat. What's valuable here is having livestock. Eventually the island wins. Okay, well, I'm gonna do the kayak right here. So, when forensics finds the video to find out what happened, they'll be able to identify my skeleton by country of origin. Want to see where I am? The boat shipwrecked here, right? Means this cove, this bay pulled it in. It's a whole different angle. There's no fear of me being sucked out of the ocean. However, I could slam up against the rusty boat. Here we go, you ready? Not a vacation if you don't need a tetanus shot. Here we go. Ready? Ay, 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 ay. Wow. I could. Listen, I could put the camera on the boat. I could get up there. I'm not doing that. I mean, it sucks you in. Yeah. I turned 56 this year, just this August. It's a lot. I don't mean years, I mean there's a biological aging. It's just a number. No, it isn't. It actually, it's like talking about a 56-year-old car. It doesn't run as well. Yeah, I don't run as well. I need new paint. I don't even think they make these parts anymore. But it's not over. Oh. Oh, it's not over.